Hi, welcome back to Builderall Design Lab. I'm Sarah, and in this video, I'm building the product section of Milora, our bee-powered skincare brand, where browsing starts turning into action. Let's dive right in. I head into the product section and keep my titles simple. No sales language and no pressure to buy, just an invitation to explore. When I design the product section, I think beyond the screen. I imagine someone holding the product, placing it on a shelf, or seeing it in a bathroom mirror. That's why the serum packaging is intentionally distinctive. Inspired by the form of honey jars, the shape is soft but sculptural. It's the kind of bottle you recognize again without reading the label. That memorability is important in skincare packaging where products often look the same. Having this instant recognizability is the key to having a successful product. In skincare, recognition is everything. People don't always remember names, but they remember shapes. So if a bottle stands out on a shelf, it creates familiarity. And familiarity is what makes someone reach out for the same product again. That's why I treat packaging as part of the user experience, not just a container. It needs to feel intentional, pleasant to hold, and visually consistent with the brand story we've built so far. On the page, I keep my product cards clean and minimal so the packaging itself can shine. Each product has a short description and a clear button. I make sure my white space is generous so the buyer feels like it's a stroll through a meadow. Once I'm happy with my layout, I add in a leafy shadow that's soft and diffused. Because my section is white and my cards have no outline or defined shape, adding in this subtle background element grounds the packaging visually while giving the section a sense of presence, as if it's naturally resting in the space rather than floating on the screen. In the next video, we'll finalize our page design and fine-tune for publishing. I've also prepared this page for you as a downloadable Builderall template that you can add into your Builderall account. Let me know what you think of the design, and I'll see you in the next Design Lab video.